Hi, this is Dan with D. Rohde Home Services. I recently had a post on TikTok and we got some nice responses. I kind of wanted to address a few of them. Not going to save 50%. No way. I installed and worked on HVAC systems for 35 years. Heat pumps can save money, but not 50%. Good sales pitch, though. I actually am a very data-driven person. And I have some old bills because I used to have oil and now I have electricity. So I have an old oil bill here from 2023. And you can see that it's $100 that I spent for my oil bill. And I was able to find an electrical bill from 2025 where we switched over to our heat pumps. And guess what? $50. Take that, TikTok.